Take the BMP 280 QT sensor and press the BMP breather over the BMP sensor, the small silver sensor in the center of the board with a tiny breather hole. Place one of the QT glue covers over the board. The cover acts as a reinforcement for the delicate quick connectors, so it should be resting on those connectors prior to gluing. Fill the cavity of the glue shield with hot glue. Make sure that all of the electronic components on the board are covered, but take care not to get any glue in the breather opening. Add a bead of hot glue to the outside edge of the glue shield for extra protection. Repeat the process with the HTU21D QT and the MCP9808 QT sensors. Take one of the sensors, any one will work, and connect a 50mm quick cable. Slip one corner of the board under the securing tag of the end mount, then ease the jumper wires into the slot in the case by pinching them a little. Attach a second sensor to the other end of the 50mm cable, and then a second 50mm cable to that sensor. Push the sensor into a mount, this time pinching both sets of wires to ease them into the slots in the side. Add the third sensor, followed by a 200mm quick cable. Now add the final mount. Assembly of the harness is complete. Superglue the locking threads to the inlet arm of the base. Push on the bottom cover. Loosely screw the shaft into the base. Add the first screen ring. Add the first open leaf. Thread the radiation shield harness cable through the center of the first open leaf and out through the arm of the base. Seat the holder on the spoke of the leaf closest to the arm of the base. Seat the other two sensors on the other two spokes as shown. Add another screen ring. Add the second open leaf, rotating at 60 degrees so that the spokes don't interfere with the sensors. Add the third screen ring, followed by a third open leaf. Now add the center screen. Add the remaining 2 open leaves. Add the closed leaf. Finally, screw on the top leaf. Don't over-tighten it or you will break the shaft. Assembly is complete.